The hydraulic suspension system is one of the crucial components of a tractor, playing a key role in the lifting, stabilization, and adjustment of agricultural implements. With its smooth lifting, precise adjustment, and high reliability, the hydraulic suspension system is widely used in various types and functions of tractors. Next, let's learn the relevant knowledge about the hydraulic suspension system of tractors. Today, we will primarily learn about the functions, types, composition, working process, usage precautions, and maintenance of the hydraulic suspension system. First, let's explore the function of the hydraulic suspension system of tractors. The hydraulic suspension device of a tractor adjusts the height and position of the tractor's working implements, such as plows and harrows, through the hydraulic system to adapt to different terrains and operational needs. Its excellent stability and reliability provide strong support for agricultural production, effectively improving operational efficiency and quality. The complete set of devices for lifting and controlling agricultural tools using hydraulics is known as the hydraulic suspension system. So, what are the characteristics of the hydraulic suspension system of tractors? Let's take a look. The tractor hydraulic suspension system is characterized by its compact structure, easy operation, smooth lifting, and wide adjustment range. Due to hydraulic transmission, it achieves smooth lifting and adjustment, reducing impacts and damage to agricultural tools in the tractor. Additionally, by adjusting the control valve's position, precise control of the tool's height and angle can be conveniently achieved to meet various operational needs. What are the types of hydraulic suspension systems? Let's learn together. 1. Separate hydraulic system. The oil pump, oil cylinder, distributor, and oil tank are installed in different locations on the tractor and are connected by oil pipes. 2. Semi-separate hydraulic system. Except for the oil pump, other hydraulic components such as the oil cylinder, distributor, and control mechanism form a lift unit and are installed on the rear axle casing. 3. Integrated hydraulic system. All hydraulic components, including the oil pump, oil cylinder, distributor, and control mechanism, are installed within the rear axle casing, forming a single unit. Now, let's learn about the composition and functions of the hydraulic suspension system of tractors. The hydraulic suspension device mainly consists of 1. Hydraulic system, the power device for lifting agricultural tools. It comprises hydraulic pump, oil cylinder, distributor, and other hydraulic components and accessories. The hydraulic pump is the power source for the hydraulic suspension system, converting mechanical energy into hydraulic energy to provide power to the system. The control valve is the control element in the hydraulic suspension system, regulating the flow direction and volume of hydraulic oil to achieve lifting and adjustment of the implements. Common valves include directional control valves, flow control valves, and safety valves. The oil cylinder is the execution component in the hydraulic suspension system, converting hydraulic energy into mechanical energy to drive the suspension mechanism to lift or lower the implements. The oil cylinder typically consists of the cylinder body, piston, and piston rod, all filled with hydraulic oil. The oil tank stores the hydraulic oil, providing the necessary fluid for the system. The oil pipes connect the pump, valves, and oil cylinders, forming a complete hydraulic circuit. 2. Control mechanism, used to operate the main control valve of the distributor to control the direction of oil flow. It consists of a manual control mechanism and an automatic control mechanism. 3. Suspension mechanism. Its function is to connect agricultural implements, transmit the hydraulic lifting force and the tractor's pulling force to the implements, and maintain the correct working position of the implements. Let's now learn about the working process of the hydraulic suspension system of tractors. In the hydraulic suspension system of tractors, the hydraulic pump draws hydraulic oil from the tank and delivers it through pipes to the valves. The valves control the flow direction and volume of hydraulic oil based on the operation commands, causing the oil cylinders to move up or down. The piston rod of the oil cylinder is connected to the suspension mechanism, raising or lowering the implements. Simultaneously, safety devices such as the safety valve and relief valve in the system ensure stable operation. Let's continue with the usage precautions for the hydraulic suspension system of tractors. 1. During lifting and lowering operations, first ensure that the tractor is in a stable condition. Then, adjust the oil flow to the cylinder through the control valve to achieve the lifting or lowering of the implement. During the lifting and lowering process, pay attention to the implement's position to avoid excessive lifting or lowering that could cause damage. 2. Positioning operations mainly involve adjusting the locking position of the oil cylinder through the control valve to keep the implement at the desired height and angle. Ensure that the implement remains stable and does not wobble during positioning to avoid affecting the operation's effectiveness. 3. Before using the hydraulic suspension system, check whether all components are intact and whether there is sufficient hydraulic oil. Follow the manufacturer's prescribed operating procedures during use to prevent equipment damage or safety accidents caused by improper operation. If the hydraulic suspension system is not used for an extended period, periodically start the hydraulic pump to maintain oil circulation and prevent oil degradation. Finally, let's discuss the maintenance methods for the hydraulic suspension system of tractors. To ensure the proper functioning of the tractor hydraulic suspension system, regular maintenance and care are necessary. 1. Regularly check the cleanliness and oil level of the hydraulic oil. If contamination or aging is observed, replace the hydraulic oil promptly. Also, ensure that the oil tank sealing is good to prevent external impurities from entering the hydraulic system. 2. Regularly check the operating conditions of the oil pump, oil cylinder, distributor, and control valves. Address any abnormal noises, leaks, or jamming promptly. 3. Regularly inspect the connections and fasteners of the suspension mechanism to ensure they are secure and reliable. Tighten any loose components as needed. 4. Periodically clean and maintain the hydraulic system to remove oil stains and impurities, keeping the system clean and unobstructed. The hydraulic suspension system of tractors plays a significant role in agricultural production. Proper use and maintenance are crucial for ensuring the equipment's normal operation and improving work efficiency. During use, strictly follow the operating instructions, pay attention to operating procedures and safety issues, and regularly maintain and inspect the equipment to extend the hydraulic suspension system's lifespan, enhance field work efficiency and quality, and provide robust support for agricultural production. After class, please consider the following questions. 1. What are the components of the hydraulic suspension system? 2. Briefly describe the working process of the hydraulic suspension system. 3. What does the maintenance work of the hydraulic suspension system include? That concludes our lesson. Thank you, everyone.